Picture this: a single asteroid floating through space, packed with more gold and platinum than all the vaults on Earth combined. Trillions of dollars just waiting to be mined, not in some sci-fi movie, but in our very own solar system. Sounds unbelievable? Well, today, we're diving deep into the high-stakes race for space riches, and the wild question that's got scientists, billionaires, and governments buzzing: who gets to own all that cosmic gold? So why should you care about space mining and who owns what way out there? The answer is simple. This isn't just a futuristic fantasy. Within your lifetime, space mining could change the price of precious metals, shake up global industries, and even impact the job market in ways we can barely imagine today. By watching this video, you'll get a sneak peek into the legal battles, technological breakthroughs, and economic shakeups that could affect your wallet and your world. For example, imagine a future where gold becomes as common as aluminum, and your jewelry isn't just Earth-made but forged from a chunk of asteroid billions of miles away. This isn't just science talk, it's tomorrow's reality. Knowing how ownership of space treasures is decided gives you an edge to understand big trends before they hit your newsfeed. Let's break it down. First, what makes asteroids so valuable? Many of these cosmic rocks are chock full of rare metals like platinum, gold, and iridium, resources that are becoming scarcer on Earth. NASA estimates a single asteroid like 16 Psyche could hold over $10,000 quadrillion in precious metals. Now, as rocket technology advances and private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin push the boundaries, the idea of mining these interplanetary jackpots is closer than ever. But here comes the million, or should I say, trillion-dollar question: who actually owns the loot? The UN Outer Space Treaty from 1967 says no country can claim celestial bodies for itself, but companies interpret this very loosely. Meanwhile, nations like the US and Luxembourg have set up laws letting their companies profit from space resources. Imagine the gold rush of the 1800s, but on a cosmic scale. Will it be governments, private megacorporations, or maybe even international organizations who win the rights? Real-world examples: Planetary Resources, once a leading space mining startup, raised millions to hunt asteroid minerals, but ran into big legal and financial challenges. The tech is racing ahead, but the laws are struggling to keep up. We'll explore how this legal limbo could spark international conflicts or unexpected collaborations. Let's use a simple analogy. If outer space is a giant ocean, and asteroids are mysterious islands brimming with buried treasure, who gets the rights to dig up the riches? The answer, as we'll see, is complicated, and it might shape the future of both space travel and global economies. Have you ever wondered who owns the moon, or who gets to claim a piece of Mars? What would you do if you found a billion-dollar asteroid floating above us? Would you stake a claim, join a mining company, or push for international sharing? Drop your thoughts or wild scenarios in the comments. Have you heard of any crazy news stories about space mining plans? Share your opinions, because you might just change someone's mind or spark the next big debate. And if you're loving this journey into the cosmic gold rush, don't forget to stick around for the next big reveal. Quick recap. Today you learned that space mining isn't sci-fi anymore, and the race for asteroid riches is heating up fast. From billion-dollar minerals orbiting the sun to complex ownership laws, these cosmic treasures have the power to reshape our world. From technology jobs to the price of gold. The biggest takeaway? Who owns the cosmic gold is still up for grabs, and you're part of the conversation shaping that future. Stay curious, because the next space boom might affect you sooner than you think. If you're finding these insights into space mining fascinating, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. That way, you'll stay ahead of the curve with more brain-bending explorations into the topics that are changing our world, both above and beyond. So why is this all so crucial right now? Space mining is moving from secret science projects to front-page headlines. With new missions set to launch, laws being written, and tech companies vying for dominance, the decisions made today will echo for decades. Asteroid mining could start affecting earthbound industries, international trade, and even generate new jobs sooner than you think. That makes this the perfect time to understand who owns the cosmic gold, and why it matters so much for our future. The space gold rush is not just coming, it's here,